Hello, dear students. I hope all you're fine. So, children, let's start our video. This is the fourth chapter of our moral book, that is Forgive and Forget. Children, as the title of this chapter indicates, forgive and forget means maaf karo or bhul jao. If you will forgive others, you will have a feeling of inner joy, happiness, and satisfaction, and you will be a respected person among your friends. Children, but if you don't forgive others, means if someone says you sorry and still you become rude, hatred towards him, then then your life will be full of misery. Because if you don't forgive others, you will have many enemies, opponents in this world. Children, now just think, in our daily life, we often curse God if we are unsuccessful in any work. Then, if God does not forgive us, then what will happen to us? Our life will be full of sins and miseries. So, children, there is a famous saying, there is a proverb that to err is human, to forgive divine. Means doing mistakes is human nature, but to forgive them is really greatness. Children, there is a story of two friends, Deepak and George. Once there was a 2-meter cycle race in their school. In the race, all participants were left behind, and only George and Deepak were in competition. Deepak was moving very fastly, and it was sure that he will win. The crowd was cheering him and applauding him. George felt very jealous, and in anger he kicked the back wheel of Deepak's cycle, and in this way Deepak lost his balance from his cycle and he fell down. Now George won the race without any interruption and got the prize. But the crowd was cursing George, so he went in a corner, sat there, and when he thought about him, he felt very pity on him. He felt ashamed of him, and he was weeping in regret. Just then Deepak came there. George was very shy and embarrassed. Okay, so he embraced Deepak with tears. Then Deepak said that, "Don't worry, dear friend," and Deepak congratulated him. Now the crowd was clapping with joy, and both were again good friends. Why? Because Deepak had forgave George. Okay, so children, we should also forgive the minor mistakes of other people and treat them friendly. So, what we learned from this chapter, that we should forgive and forget. Thank you, children.